Hi believers, this is Tushar from Via Team, and I am here with your weekly bite and a road ahead in the markets. This week, Indian markets recovered slightly, supported by hopes of an end to Russia-Ukraine war and major GST reforms hinted at by Prime Minister Modi in his Independence Day speech. Benchmark indices ended higher. Nifty gained 1% and Bank Nifty was up by 0.6%, snapping a 6-week losing streak. The cheer came from strong macro data. July's CPI inflation hit an 8-year low of just 1.55%, the lowest since July 2017. On top of that, record-breaking mutual fund inflows boosted sentiment further. Globally, the Trump-Putin Alaska summit ended without any new sanctions, a relief for the markets. On the flip side, the planned US-India trade negotiations have been postponed, which means we will have to wait a bit longer for positive news there. Technically, the Nifty's weekly chart formed a bullish candle after 6 straight weeks of decline. Importantly, Nifty has managed to hold the 24,400 level on a closing basis, suggesting most of the tariff related negativity is already priced in. We believe 24,200, which is also the 200-day moving average, will act as a strong support, while near term resistance lies around 24,750 levels. From a longer term perspective, we remain in a secular bull market. Corrections, whether global or domestic, continue to provide buying opportunities. Market breadth has also improved, with more stocks moving above their 50-day moving averages. Historically, a sign of decent returns in the months ahead. Earnings season is almost over. Q1 FY26 results were flat compared to last quarter, but since Q2 and Q3 last year were weak due to elections, we expect earnings growth to resume from the next quarter. Another big driver could be GST reform. The government is considering shifting almost all goods from 12% slab to 5% and many goods from 28% down to 18%. If this goes through by Diwali, it could spark strong buying in FMCG, consumer durables, and agriculture related sectors. With these factors, we expect Nifty 50 to head towards the psychological mark of 25,000 in the coming weeks. Yes, volatility will remain due to tariffs headlines, but that will actually create opportunities to accumulate quality stocks. So to conclude, it looks like market should stop falling from here on. Even if we consolidate for a bit longer, use this time to build position in quality companies rather than staying on the sidelines. Once trade issues settle and earnings momentum picks up, we could see a meaningful reversal. That's all for this week. Wishing you a profitable trading week ahead.